Welcome back to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we talking about Nike's Air Max 1 NYC Chinatown shoe that just came out this past Saturday. I hit on the sneakers app, so I was able to get this shoe. It came today, so I had to get the video out to you guys as soon as possible. I just want to say rest in peace to Kobe Bryant and his daughter, and all other victims who passed away in this horrible helicopter crash on Sunday. I just want to, that was a terrible situation, man. And may God be with everyone that's affected by this, and that's pretty much the whole world. Everybody's affected, man. I just hope everybody is able to, stay strong and just, be. I'm at a loss for words. I don't really know what to say. I'm saying this on the wing because it's just such a sad and unfortunate situation. If you guys are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified we drop new content to the channel. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And also, if you guys want to buy any Penny for Your Thoughts merch, we have the website up right now. It's up live. If you guys want to get any Penny for Your Thoughts merch, shout out to the people who went on the website and bought stuff. I appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. The website is p4yt2016.com. Let me say that one more time. It's p4yt2016.com. If you want to get any of the merch, any of the hats, anything that I'm wearing in this video is on the website. I know you guys are tired of me talking, so let's get into the shoe. Here you guys go. Nike Air Max 1 NYC Chinatown. Let's get into the shoe. We have the pink mesh right here in the toe box, of course. You have the black suede right here with the dark pink and light pink stitching. Then you go right here to the Nike swoosh. You have pink on the outside of it with the gold in the inside. You have a white sole right here. Go to the bottom of the shoe. You have light pink, hot pink, yellow, and aqua right here. Then you go to the airbag right here, which is in pink also. Come right here to the swoosh. You have patent leather gold in the inside with the stitching, hot pink right here. You go to the tongue of the shoe. You have a yellow tongue. You have a black and pink laces right here. It's mainly black with the hot pink outlining. You come over to the back. You have a patent leather right here going across the back panel with a unicorn right here. You come over to the other side. You have the same swoosh right here with the pink outside with the gold patent leather in the inside. And that's pretty much it, man. That's what we got going on with this shoe, man. I like this colorway right here. This kind of reminds me of another Air Max 1 that they came out with. That kind of slips my mind right now. I can't think of the name of it right now off the top of my head, but maybe later on in the video it'll probably come to my head. But this shoe right here I thought was clean, man. I thought they did a really good job with the colors, man. If you're familiar with New York City, Chinatown, there's a lot of bright lights and stuff down there. Like in New York City, in the city, like in Manhattan, like lower and upper Manhattan, they have a lot of bright lights. So this shoe right here kind of picks that up. It has bright colors all over the shoe, just like the bright lights. So I just thought this was a well put together shoe, man, and a great representation of New York City, man, Chinatown life. So this is dope right here. You also got on the tongue right here, you also have like some Chinese emblem right here. Also got the Nike swoosh and hot pink. This is definitely a fire shoe, man. If you guys know, I fucks with the Air Max 1. The Air Max 1's one of my favorite shoes of all time, and I just thought this was one of the ones I had to get, man. So like I said, I hit on the sneakers app and I was extremely happy about that, man. Let me know what you guys think about this shoe, man. Let me know if you guys think this shoe is fire. If you don't like this shoe, it's too much colors, it's too much going on, man. Let me know, leave it in the comments below. But I thought it was a clean shoe. I thought these was fresh. So I tried my best to get them, and I finally hit on the sneakers app, man. And I'm really happy about that. Really, really happy about that, man. But let me know what you guys think. If you guys think this shoe is not all pumped up to what I think it is or what everybody else think it is, man. Because I know a couple of my friends got them. They like the shoe, and they sold out on the sneakers app, man. So, but that really doesn't say anything because a lot of wax stuff sells out on the sneakers app too. So, you know, that really don't say anything. But I really like this shoe, man. But y'all know what time. It's time for me to rate this shoe. And out of 5 pennies, I'm going to keep it all the way 100 with y'all like I always do. I got to give these, man, 4 out of 5 pennies. For sure, man. This shoe is definitely one of them ones right here, man. If you do this right, if you know how to match the colors up and you got a fit in mind that's going to kill it and it's going to represent the shoe the correct way, you could definitely make a statement with this shoe right here, man. You could do the Air Max 1s with a lot of different fits. You could do jeans, you could do sweats, you know, pretty much the whole shit. Man, you can just wait till the summertime and pull them out on a nice summer night. Pull them out, you know, let people see what it is, man. But this shoe right here is definitely something that's different and it's fire at the same time. But let me know what you guys think. If you guys think they trash, leave in the comments below, man. If you think they fire, leave in the comments below. We answer all comments and we get back to y'all as soon as possible. So holla at us, man. Let's continue this conversation in the comments. And with that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.